10th, deaf people can communicate adequately and exclusively through speech reading or lip reading. This is a myth. Majorly, deaf people communicate through sign language. When a deaf and a hearing person who knows sign language meet, they also can communicate in sign language easily. 11th, hearing loss only affects the older generation. When hearing people encounter young deaf people, they don't believe it because people assume that hearing loss occurs in older adults only. Yes, old age is one cause of hearing loss, but the reason for hearing loss can include accidents or injuries to head, being born deaf, or even acquiring hearing loss afterwards because of various illnesses. People can experience hearing loss at any age. 12th, deaf are dumb because they are not active. This statement is absolutely wrong. The inability to hear affects neither intelligence nor the physical ability to learn and perform everyday functions. So, deaf people are as capable as those who can hear. Deaf are skilled enough to do any work in any field. Using dumb is an inappropriate and deaf is the preferred term. 13th, deaf people always need to be defined as hearing impaired. Actually, the term hearing impaired is often used to describe people with any degree of hearing loss, from mild to profound, including those who are deaf and those who are hard of hearing. Also, the term hearing impaired is a medical terminology for all who are deaf or hard of hearing. Many individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing prefer the terms deaf and hard of hearing because they consider them to be more positive. 14th, hearing loss can be repaired by medicine or surgery. In reality, people with sensory neural hearing loss or any permanent hearing loss caused by any accident or head injury cannot be repaired by medicine or surgery. Cochlear implant surgery is the most common, which has not been much effective. Take for example, loss of eyesight. It is permanent and simple medicine or surgical treatment won't cure the blindness. So the deafness should not be seen as the illness to be cured. 15th, deaf people are too dependent and can't effectively contribute to society. In fact, Deaf are independent enough and capable to do their own work, to get higher studies, or even doing jobs independently. Deaf can gain skills to do any work independently, and they can even travel alone and contribute to all the sections of the society. 16th, deaf people only listen to someone when they feel like it. Deaf people cannot hear from their ears, but they get all information from their eyes, such as whatever is happening in their surrounding, all they can observe and feel it by their strong visual receptiveness. 17th, all hearing loss is the same. This is a common misconception. In fact, there are various types of hearing loss, like some born deaf, severe illness also cause hearing loss in hearing people, people who met with an accident and then lost their hearing. These cause may lead to varying degree of hearing loss accordingly. Sometimes getting exposure to sudden or long-term loud noises also causes hearing loss.